Guys, we're getting a flash flood. Girl. Yeah, I'm in Wrightstown over here. You're in Kakana. Oh my. But I live on a hill, so I'm not really that worried. Girl. Girl, you want to know something? I I forgot I was on call with you. I forgot I was on call with you. What's going on downtown? Are you watching the weather? Oh, lordy, lordy. Girl, I'm so scared. Bro, the internet is so. Good morning. I know. Whatever. Oh, bestie! Oh, I'm out of the garage. Yeah, so am I. Girl, the last time I got something like this is when the tornado hit and then no damage. It's zero damage. And it doesn't help that the way back to my house, that we had to cross a bridge. So that's probably going to be flooded by the time we're done. Since my mom is literally messing with the sensors right now. Bestie, you can already experience it out here. Like, bestie, what? Oops, we can't get hurricanes. That's sad. I feel bad for them. Bro, wait, is this striking half of the U.S.? I'm guessing this is striking half of the U.S. The last storm struck the half of the U.S. What's this one doing? Yeah, I want to see if it's striking half of the U.S. or something. The other one did. How's the rain out there? We're getting little sprinkles over here. How'd you do that? Bestie, check the map. Oh, it is. It's coming to Wisconsin. Oh, it's not striking half the U.S. I thought it was. I'm trying to. 9 o'clock p.m. What's not gonna stay? Then don't drive like a maniac. Is that road flooded? Almost. Look at water. Misty. Look at that. It's so high up. 3:30. That's when we're gonna get. That's when it's gonna flood. You want to know who's getting a Category 2 hurricane? I was about to say Florida, but woo! Mom, get off your phone. Woo! Your window's fogging up. San Antonio. San Antonio. I love how they named the country after me. How did you share your screen? Put them on this.
Why is your face on this milk carton? Founder, yes. Our friend from the vacation morning.
Oh.
If I ever go missing as an adult, put my picture on the top.
Did you see why I'm marked
This kidding. This is Kids Fest. Get paid $4,000 training regardless of condition at Appleton Auto Parts 199.com.
Hold on, let me touch it. Let me touch it. Ow, ow! Let me touch it. Ow! What? I just touched the rain and it hurts. That a bit. No. Bastille. What? What? Looks like a tornado gonna come. Not a tornado, flash flood. Oh my gosh, look at this tornado. 367 Oh my gosh. What up? I got text Emily. You can we got to text Emily. time to read a book. You got a book in here? Put your hazards on. Mom, put your hazards on. Oh my god.
Her again. That's concerning. Oh my god, Antonio.
I see my old Snapchat.
Oh yeah, I forgot to send that you. It breaks my bones.
A portion of the proceeds
Oh.
retired duty
It's worse in person.
It stinks.
Oh, I'm cold.
What? The what?
On the space.
Up. Emily doesn't live on a hill. Maybe that means eating chips.
Yo! What the?
Mm-mm.
I think La Follett's flooded.
Not the fall. That is
Oh.
Thousand Island.
It's flooded. 1000 Islands just got flooded.
Water. And it was really high when we went.
How this proves how fast the weather could change.
There's no fireworks.
No,
But
it's
they drive
weird.
out quick. Oh, we gotta get inside.
Then don't drive like a maniac.
I was driving like a maniac.
Where are we going?
Gotta
No,
go
they're
pick up.
driving back from right.
Oh, I have to stay out here. Ew, what is this?
Their new house is
It's
in
like,
right now, so they were going to go see it, but then it started like pouring.
that's the,
Like,
okay, look for any flooded roads. Jiminy, Jiminy, yeah.
I should just do this with. That'll probably calm down. I get scared when there's a storm like this.
Girl, I'm still in this stuff.
You little girl.
No thanks. Down. So good though. See my little shelter, it's gonna come down. Actually, it's actually pretty good for the wind.
It's very, very peaceful. Brooke, go grab a book.
What?
Yeah, go grab a book.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, and go read it. When I get home, I'm gonna read a book too. So like,
They called me a geek? How dare you?
all right, she's grabbing a book.
Boom!
She's finally liking storms.
You know my Judy Bloom bucket?
Ah! Mom, why would you drive through the flooded?
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, we just drove through a flooded road.
Right, the car made it through.
The itty bitty one.
Yeah. Get it. There we go, baby. Good girl. Yeah, that was a big one.
You gotta get all that water out.
Ooh, this might be one too.
Oh. Not a big one. You reading a book?
Actually, I'm listening to read aloud.
Too loud? I'm sorry.
No, I'll read aloud.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make my bed. I'm gonna make it story time. Ready? And I'm gonna play Dot Me. And I'm gonna call Emily. No, I put it up. Search for read aloud. Search read alouds on YouTube. The big change. Bye bye.